This is Martha with Martha's Creative Life. Thank you so much for stopping by today. This is the channel where we get to learn and be creative together. I have for you today Cotton Cuts clue number 3 for the Piazza Mystery Quilt. The first one we have is Navona. So let's go ahead and open this one up. When I tell you this packaging has so much glue on it, it will not open up in transit from Cotton Cuts to you. All right. I love their little stickers. So inside this package, they have Cotton Cuts number 3. This one is the large one. I'm doing 2 different ones. For Navona. I love how they package this up. They're all so precise. They're really pretty. So it looks like we're going to be making some half square triangles. We've got really 2 larger pieces here. One's bigger than the other. And then we have 1 square and then a couple of smaller squares. And they're also doing a block of the month also, and this one says it's block number 9202. But this is separate from this here. This is just a little extra block of the month that they send to you. All right, so then we've got the instructions for clue number 3. And what's so great about Cotton Cuts too, they write on here, on the bottom right here, it says if you're missing any pieces or have any other problems, please complete the form at www.cottoncuts.com/PMQ-support. We will do our best to get you sewing again as soon as possible. It's nice that you have them to lean on if mistakes happen. You know, it's inevitable that at some point someone's going to miss a piece. But they understand that, and they'll help you and get it taken care of as soon as possible. So this is a very nice one for Navona. This piece here, this card, came in the very first clue when I opened it. So it tells you which one it is, of course, and the color choice. And tells you on the back what letters your fabric or correspond to. This is very important to have. So by my sewing machine, I actually have a file cabinet, and so I just took a chip clip and I have it hanging up on my file cabinet at all times. So the next one is we're going to open up Duomo as well. So this one's the same thing. It has on the back all the letters that correspond with your colors for your fabric. And that card too I have hanging up on my file cabinet right by my sewing machine. All right, so there's a quick peek at all the colors. This is the one I picked out. The other one that I showed you, my husband picked that one out. He knows I love purple. And then on the back you have the clue. So let's go ahead and open this one up. Look at the pretty greens that have the daisies in them. Look at that color, the white. That one's my favorite fabric out of this one. The yellow is so pretty. Okay, and then this one, it's a little bit different from the other one that I have because this one's the small and the other one I have is the large. Then when I see this, I love this. So I really have a hard time choosing between that one or that one, that one or that one. It also has the block number 0922 for the Cotton Cuts block of the month. It's the same card that I showed you a few minutes ago. So here is the instructions for clue number 3, and they tell you how to put it together. I look forward to putting this together. So have you been a part of the Cotton Cuts mystery quilts sew alongs that they have? Are you doing this one, the Piazza one, or have you done a different one? I'd love to hear which one you're working on or which one you've worked on before. All right, very, very pretty. They did a great job. I really look forward to putting this one. I look forward to putting both of these together. They're both very, very pretty. All right, so until next time, take care. Bye.